Hello students, good morning all of you. Welcome you all in general knowledge session. Today we'll start with chapter 18, that is sporting legends. In this you have to name the following sport personalities. You may choose their names from the help box. Also name the sport they excel in with the help of your parents, teachers or friends. Okay, one has been done for you. Okay, the first one is Don Bradman. Okay, who is he? Don Bradman. Don Bradman was an Australian international cricketer, widely acknowledged as the greatest batsman of all time. Bradman's career test batting average of 99.94 has been cited as the greatest achievement by any sportsman in any major sport. Next, second one is Sunil Gavaskar, and he is famous for you can say fondly called Little Master. Sunil Gavaskar is an Indian cricketer, commentator and former cricketer representing India and Bombay from the early 1970s to the late 1980s. The third one is Michael Schumacher. Michael Schumacher is a German former racing driver who competed in the Formula One for Jordan Benetton, Ferrari and Mercedes. Okay, he is the fastest racing driver you can say. Fourth is Roger Federer. Roger Federer Roger Federer is a Swiss professional tennis player. He is ranked number 9 in the world by the Association of Tennis Professionals. He has won 20 Grand Slam men's singles titles, an all-time record shared with Rafael Nadal and Novak Djokovic. And he won 2018 Wimbledon Men's Singles Award. Okay, next is Pele. You can say Pele. He is a Brazilian former professional footballer who played as a forward, regarded as one of the greatest players of all time and labeled the greatest by FIFA. He was among the most successful and popular sports figures of 20th century, and he is the greatest football player. Sixth one is Dhyan Chand, and he is the greatest hockey player. Major Dhyan Chand was an Indian field hockey player widely regarded as one of the greatest in the history of the sport. He was known for his extraordinary goal scoring feats in addition to earning 3 Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936 during an era where India dominated field hockey. Seventh is Mary Kom. Mary Kom, you can say she won 6 gold medals in boxing championship. Mary Kom is an Indian boxer, politician and incumbent member of parliament or Rajya Sabha. She became the first Indian female boxer to win a gold medal in the Asian Games in 2014 at South Korea and is the first Indian female boxer to win gold at the 2018 Commonwealth Games. She is also the only boxer to become Asian amateur boxing champion for a record 6 times. Eighth one is he is Viswanathan and a well played World Chess Championship. Okay, Viswanathan Anand is an Indian chess grandmaster and former World Chess Champion. He became the first grandmaster from India in 1988 and is one of the few players to have surpassed an ELO rating of 2800, a feat first achieved in 2006. Anand is a 5-time world chess champion. And the last one is Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan, also known by his initials MJ, is an American former professional basketball player and businessman. He is the principal owner and the chairman of the Charlotte Hornets of the National Basketball Association. Okay, so Michael Jordan is the most popular, or you can say valuable player of basketball. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day. Bye.